Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that the world can no longer make enough advanced computer chips. Smartphone prices begin to rise. Car factories slow down. AI companies face shortages. Stock markets react. And all because of a single island. An island most people could barely find on a map. Taiwan. Most people think Taiwan matters because of its complicated relationship with China. But that is not the real story. The real story is that one small island quietly became the factory that powers the modern world. When people think about the resources that powers the world, they usually think about oil, natural gas, electricity. But there is another resource that has become just as important: computer chips. These tiny pieces of silicon are everywhere, inside your smartphone, your laptop, your car, your television, and increasingly inside the artificial intelligence systems transforming our economy. Modern hospitals depend on them, banks depend on them, airlines depend on them, even advanced military systems depend on them. In many ways, semiconductors have become the building blocks of modern life. And that raises an important question: who makes them? To understand why Taiwan matters so much, we first need to understand that making advanced chips is incredibly difficult. The world's most advanced semiconductors require extraordinary precision. The factories that produce them cost tens of billions of dollars and take years and years to build. Only a handful of companies on Earth have the expertise to manufacture the most advanced chips at scale. And over time, one place pulled far ahead of everyone else, and that is Taiwan. The company behind that success is TSMC, or Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. Instead of designing its own chips, TSMC actually focused on manufacturing chips designed by other companies. That allowed technology giants like Apple, Nvidia, AMD, and Qualcomm to focus on innovation while Taiwan focused on production. That strategy worked. Today, Taiwan produces more than 60% of the world's semiconductor foundry output. But the most important number is even more remarkable. Around 90% of the world's leading-edge chips are manufactured in Taiwan. Think about that. The chips powering advanced AI systems, the chips inside the latest smartphones, the chips used in data centers and modern military technology. Most come from a small island of just 23 million people. And that is where the story becomes bigger than Taiwan itself. Because when so much of the world's technology depends on one location, any disruption can have global consequences. Governments around the world understand this. The United States has invested heavily in domestic chip manufacturing. Europe is doing the same. Japan is expanding production. Not because Taiwan has failed, but because Taiwan has become so successful that the world worries about relying on it too much. This is also why Taiwan sits at the center of growing geopolitical attention. When people hear news about Taiwan, they often focus on military tensions and diplomacy. These issues do matter, but beneath them lies a deeper reality. The modern world has built critical technology supply chains around Taiwan. What happens in the Taiwan Strait does not just affect East Asia. It affects global markets, global manufacturing, and increasingly the future of artificial intelligence. The real story isn't Taiwan's relationship with China. The real story is how a small island became indispensable to the modern world. Because the most important places on Earth are not always the biggest. They're not always the richest, and they're not always the most powerful. Sometimes they are simply the places sitting quietly at the center of a system everyone else depends on. And few places illustrate that better than Taiwan.